How to create TikTok account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you have already logged in one account, click on your name at the top with the arrow. If you click on your name, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on add account. You can continue with email, Facebook, or Google. You can also continue with your phone number. I'll simply continue with Google. Click on continue with Google and select your Google account. After you've done that, simply select your birthday. Then press on next. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on OK. And then it will ask you to add username. After you've added username, click on continue. After you've clicked on continue, your account will be created easily. This is how to create TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.